Are you planning a trip to Barcelona and wondering how to make the most of your time? Get ready for an unforgettable adventure as we uncover the best activities in this vibrant city. Before we dive into the heart of our Barcelona adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new travel guide. Now let's get started. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is famous for its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively atmosphere. With just 3 days to spend in this mesmerizing city, we've carefully crafted an itinerary to help you experience the essence of Barcelona. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll guide you through an incredible journey that will leave you craving for more. Start your first day with a visit to the awe-inspiring La Sagrada Familia, one of the most famous landmarks of the city. Designed by the legendary architect Antoni Gaudí, this basilica's intricate design and towering spires will leave you breathless. Make sure to book your tickets in advance to avoid long queues. In the description of this video you will find the best option we have found to book your tickets. After exploring La Sagrada Familia, it is time to dive into the bustling streets of Barcelona. Head to the famous pedestrian boulevard, La Rambla, and take a leisurely stroll, admiring the street performers, shops, and lively atmosphere. Make a stop at La Boqueria market to sample some delicious local cuisine. It is one of the oldest and most famous markets in Europe, attracting both locals and tourists who are looking for fresh produce, local specialties, and unique culinary experiences. As the sun sets, make your way to the Gothic Quarter, a maze of narrow medieval streets and stunning architecture. Wander the enchanting alleys, visit the Barcelona Cathedral, and dine at one of the many tapas bars to immerse yourself in the city's rich culinary culture. The Gothic Quarter is a neighborhood that is rich in history and culture, with something to offer for everyone. Whether you are interested in architecture, art, or simply soaking up the local atmosphere, the Gothic Quarter is a neighborhood that you won't want to miss. Kick off your second day in Barcelona with a visit to Parc Güell, another of Gaudí's masterpieces. This colorful park is a perfect blend of nature, art, and architecture. If you plan to visit Parc Güell, it is recommended that you purchase your tickets in advance, as there is a limited number of daily visitors allowed. The park is also quite hilly, so it is recommended that you wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water. Don't forget to take some Instagram-worthy pictures at the iconic Mosaic Terrace. Next, head to the upscale neighborhood of Eixample, home to some of the most elegant and modernist buildings in Barcelona. Make sure to visit Casa Batlló and Casa Batlló, two more of Gaudí's incredible creations, showcasing his unique architectural style. Casa Batlló is a residential building that was originally constructed in 1877, but was completely remodeled by Gaudí between 1904 and 1906. The building features a distinctive wavy facade that looks like the surface of a pond, as well as a series of colorful mosaics and elaborate balconies. Casa Batlló, also known as La Pedrera, is another of Gaudí's masterpieces. It was built between 1906 and 1910 and features a unique undulating facade that resembles a stone quarry. The building is famous for its rooftop, which is covered in an array of surreal sculptures and offers incredible views of the city. End your day with a magical experience at the Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. The fountain is a popular attraction that draws crowds from around the world. The fountain features a complex system of jets, lights, and music that work together to create a stunning visual and sensory experience. Afterward, explore the nearby Poble Espanyol, an open-air museum that showcases the diverse architectural styles of Spain. The museum features replicas of buildings and structures from various regions of the country, giving visitors a chance to explore the country's rich history and culture. On your final day in Barcelona, visit the stunning hill of Montjuïc. One of the must-visit attractions on Montjuïc is the Montjuïc Castle. This historic fortress dates back to the 17th century and was originally built as a military stronghold to defend the city. Today, it offers visitors a glimpse into Barcelona's past and a chance to explore its architectural heritage. As you explore the castle, you'll be treated to stunning views of the city and the harbor. You can take a leisurely stroll through the castle grounds and appreciate the beautiful views from different vantage points. You can also take a guided tour of the castle, where you'll learn about its history and see some of its most notable features up close. Descend from Montjuïc and head to the waterfront, where you'll find the bustling Port Vell and Barcelona beach. Stroll along the picturesque boardwalk, watch the boats go by, or unwind at the beach as you soak in the Mediterranean sun. To conclude your Barcelona adventure, visit the vibrant neighborhood of El Raval for a taste of the city's thriving arts and culture scene. Explore contemporary art at the Barcelona Museum of Contemporary Art or the Centre Cultura Contemporània Barcelona. In reality, the Raval is not the cleanest and safest place in Barcelona, but it has a character and a peculiarity that make it an irresistible visit. Every day hundreds of tourists stroll through the neighborhood, but it still retains its popular essence. Its narrow and lively streets hide the most curious stories of the city. But I would recommend you to avoid visiting El Raval at night, as it can be dangerous in some streets. And to finish the trip, I recommend you to go back to the center of Barcelona to have dinner in a restaurant that stands out for its local food. To find a good restaurant, I advise you to search on Google or ask a local person. Over the course of 3 action-packed days, we've explored the iconic landmarks, hidden gems, and diverse neighborhoods of Barcelona. From Gaudi's architectural masterpiece to the bustling markets, tranquil parks, and picturesque waterfront, this itinerary has given you a taste of what this incredible city has to offer. But remember, this is just the beginning. Barcelona has so much more to explore, and we hope this itinerary inspires you to return and discover even more of its captivating charm. And now pay close attention, because we are going to tell you 3 fundamental tips when visiting Barcelona. Get around on foot. Barcelona is a very walkable city, and exploring on foot is a great way to experience the city's unique charm and character. You can also rent a bike or scooter to get around more quickly and easily. Try the local food. Barcelona is famous for its cuisine, so make sure to try some of the local specialties like paella, tapas, and seafood. You can also visit the Boqueria market to sample some of the city's freshest produce. Learn about the art and culture. Barcelona is home to many museums and galleries, including the Picasso Museum and the Joan Miró Foundation. You can also explore the city's unique architecture, which includes the works of Gaudí and other modernist architects. If you found this itinerary helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and expert tips. We'd also love to hear about your own Barcelona adventures in the comments below, so let us know what your favorite visits are. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through Barcelona. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.